Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Mason. And it's been exactly 27 minutes since I got the text that this order was ready, and I picked it up in my car and I came back home, and I'm really hoping that I still got some cheese pull in these chili variety pack of fried mozzarella. I'm just gonna go right for it. This is their fried mozzarella, the regular one. Please, please, let there be a cheese pull. If not, then I'll be very, very upset. No! Oh, it's tasty though. Maybe I can get a cheese pull. Maybe I just needed to get further into it. Ooh, the fried mozzarella is like such a nice salty flavor. But it's not overly salty. Second try. This is their Nashville hot fried mozzarella. Let's hope that it's spicy. No, but it's got some good spicy chicken flavor. I'm not getting lucky with these bites of cheese pull. I'm trying to adjust my microphone, so I'm doing these weird dance moves. I hate it when I'm editing and I see that, or I hear that, like I'm brushing up against it. Okay, I gotta take a break from that one so I can try this other flavor, which is their honey chipotle. Here's what I'll do. I'll take a regular bite and then I'll take a second bite and hope that that's a cheese pull. Nothing on this. That one's crazy though. The honey chipotle, it tastes just like what any regular like buffalo wing place, if they had that, and the crispiness of the outside also tastes like that, but instead of meat, it's cheese. It almost makes me think if you have cheese alternatives, or sorry, meat alternatives, maybe it should just be replaced with cheese. Because cheese is such a versatile ingredient. It can be like different hardnesses and texturally. Let this all be a lesson to you though. If you order Chili's and you make it home in 25 minutes, the cheese pull will not be enough to bite into it and do a cheese pull. But it's still pretty good to rip it. That's respectable. Also, I'm loving this gigantic cup of ranch that they gave with it. I don't know if this is what Chili's always does with their triple dipper. Oh, I keep doing that. If that's what Chili's always does, or if that's just because I got so many cheese sticks. And actually, right before I ordered this order, I thought I was just gonna get the regular fried mozz and then like their sliders and maybe something else. I don't know. I wasn't really feeling the third thing as part of the triple dipper. But then I kept scrolling down the like pick your item menu, and then I saw the Nashville hot fried mozzarella. So I definitely had to get two. But then I kept going, and then I saw the honey chipotle one. So I just had to make a all cheese experience. Ooh, the thing I don't like about this though is how sticky it is. They give like a bunch of wet wipes. I don't know what you call them, and those are necessary. Yeah, all three flavors are distinct from each other. So no matter which one you get, if like the sweetness is your jam, you're gonna like it. If you like spicy, you'll go for the Nashville hot. And then if you're just someone who likes classic flavor, then the original is fine. Yeah, I thoroughly was influenced by social media to try the triple dipper from Chili's. Now, they didn't influence me to get all three things of cheese, but I'm happy with how this turned out. That was 100% the most cheese I've ever eaten in one sitting. Fun fact, when I used to work at a grocery store, I was the cheese guy. Like we had a case of like sliced and wrapped cheeses, and I was the guy in the back who was cutting it and like maintaining the cheese, because you have to maintain cheese, you know. And I was also the guy filling up the little bulk snacks like sesame snacks and peanuts and stuff. But I'll never forget my technique of wrapping cheese. I still do it too. Use it to wrap lemons. I don't know. Anyways, that was a fun video. Hopefully it wasn't too long. Thank you all for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.